Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. And in this tutorial, I will be showing you with an example how this function works. And it is very vital and important lookup function if you are actually reading into a data set. So I will be creating a small data set and then I will be using the VLOOKUP function. How does it work? So let me create few entries first. Suppose I am writing few entries like ID and suppose country and suppose sales. And in this example, suppose I have three entries, 1, 2 and 3, and I have entries suppose country USA and UK, and suppose I have Australia, and I have sales 100, 50 and 20. And look, my data is ready. Now I'm going to use this VLOOKUP function in order to, and let me tell you that why we use the VLOOKUP function. We use this function in order to see the data based on some based on some value. Like if I want to see what is the sales of ID1, then it can show the value. So let me, for writing this VLOOKUP function, suppose I have here ID and below I have the sales. So if I want to write it, so I'm going to write this function over this sales function. So I will click on this sales, and what I'm gonna write, I will write this, everything starts with this equal function, then you write this VLOOKUP, and then you have to take this cell because I'm going to enter the different IDs on this cell, and then you have to take this data range. So everything will be popped up here in this cell, and then you have to take which column data you want to see. I want to see this column is 3. This is first column, second column and third column. I have taken as 3, and then I will take, there are two options, true and false. True means approximate match and false means exact match. So in this example I'm going to take false. So once you have done that, hit enter. So at this moment you can see it is showing an error because you did not put any data in this ID. Suppose I'm going to put as 2, then you hit the enter. You can see the data has been popped up as 50, or if I change 1, then it's showing as 100. If I change to 3, and it is showing 20. So that's how actually you have to make this formula, VLOOKUP formula. It's very easy one, and I hope you have understood it, and it is very useful if you are doing some small project, or if you are a manager at some stores, then definitely you are going to use it very lot. So thank you for watching, and please look into my other tutorial. I've given the links in the below description. Have a nice day.